Hello guys, I have made a few videos about Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies because before I told you that like many months ago that it was in a collapse, and a lot of people, wherever you go, you should find people, oh, go and invest in cryptocurrencies. It was $1, now it is $20,000. You know, people, they are pushing people to buy things, and then it was in the dead end. It means it was in the end of the trend. Understand that these cryptocurrencies, you will never know who made them, you will never know who are the participants, you will never know who shot them. Okay, it's all the things that are into internet, digital internet, and it is like a big, I'm not saying a big scam, but it is a big thing. A lot of people, for example, those who start these things, they make millions of dollars, but the other people are losing all their wealth. Okay, so, and understand that a lot of countries, they ban this Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies from their country. It means people should not buy this. If they buy and they found them, they can take their money and confiscate their money and so that's why someone told me, oh, why you don't speak too much about Bitcoin? But I say it's collapsed. It's collapsing from $20,000. Now it is $3,000. I will show you right now what's the prices. The prices at that time when I speak to them, they were 13,000. Then I have made videos on 10,000, then 6,000. This is 6,000 of Bitcoin. This is the last video I have done. Now it is 3,600. A lot of people who bought, and they lose a lot of money, but they still hold for losers until they lose all their money. Maybe they have some kind of money, they put it there. In the stock market, it is so different. Even if you put some money for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even the stock market is going down, it will go up again. Because stock market is always like that. Going down, going up, it's all that. But Bitcoin, you will never know where it goes. Bitcoin was nearly 20,000 a few years ago. Right now it is 3,600. Okay? Before I bought some Ethereum, Litecoin. I bought it, I make some money, and then when I see it's going down, I exit and I forget about it. Because you don't know how it works. Who are the movers? Why it is going down without anything? Okay? So I will show you just to see how things are. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin here, as you can see, $3,660.90, 13 or nearly 14% just for today. Ethereum, 104. It was when I bought it, it was 700. It goes to 1300, and then it collapsed. It is now 104.22 cents, 14%. Litecoin, I bought it before. Now it is $27.92, 12%. Ethereum Classic, $4. OX, I don't know, 35 cents. This is $1. This is 13 cents. Okay? And there is a Coinbase bundle. New. Buy the first 5 currencies on Coinbase with 1 purchase. Okay? So they are still making. Here are other Coinbase, or other cryptocurrencies that you don't find in Coinbase. Okay? But try to see daily what did happen. Man, this is 15%, 13, 20%. Okay? 16%, 18%, 15%. Everything is collapsing in these cryptocurrencies. Okay? So you can see, you can check with me. You can go to, for those who want to see this, you can go to coinbase.com/price. As you can see it here on the top. You can go to this website, which is, I think, USA website, and you can find all these prices if you are interested just to see. Okay? So 23%. So whatever you put is gone. And when it is gone, it will never come back. Now, so that's why for me, I don't want to push people to go to something that we don't understand. For me, I am very, very conservative with risk. When I see risk, I don't understand how this thing works. So I can just invest or trade something that I don't understand. Maybe for those people who are doing day trading, currency pairs, you can do that. You can short or you can go long when you see these currencies. It's like forex currency pairs. For you guys who know forex, it's the same thing. Two pairs, and you see which one is going up. Okay? So I'm not saying to you don't look at these things or don't see this. You are free. You can do whatever you want. But what is my video about is just to see that there is a collapse of this cryptocurrencies, and be careful not to put too much money in it. And then even if it is 1,000, 2,100 or whatever, you think it's just little, but it is still money, and you can lose a lot of money from it. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you next day.